My name is Pam Cooper. I'm an artist for the Charles Addams Studio Project. I came in to the project specifically to make frames for some of my glass work. I did stained glass and mosaic work, and the first project the class was taught by Chad Plunkett, who's our executive director over the Charles Addams Studio Project. He challenged us to build a plant out of raw steel, and I chose a bamboo piece, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. And I realized when I took a step back and I looked at that, and I was so proud of it, I had a knack for this. I think the Charles Addams Studio Project is one of the best things that has ever happened to Lubbock, honestly. I feel really proud. I feel very, very proud to be a part of this. I feel very fortunate to be a part of this. I had no idea what I was stumbling into whenever I came in to take that first welding class. Artists are a breed of their own. Artists tend to be very open, very kind, very compassionate, very receptive of other people that are wanting to create.